I'm Terry Bradshaw. Whether it's cleaner air, sustainable development, or energy efficiency, join me as we span the globe to bring you the stories that truly matter. Welcome to the Environmental Report. From solar energy to wind farms and hydropower to geothermal heat, society is finding new ways to harness the power of the Earth's natural resources. Let's explore some promising sustainable energy solutions for the 21st century.
Capturing wave energy has always been difficult. Unlike wind and solar power, scientists have yet to settle on a conventional way to harness the power of sea waves. Although there have been many attempts since at least 1890, wave power generation is still not a widely employed commercial technology. Previous generations have shown promise, but have ultimately failed to deliver a cost-effective solution that has minimal environmental impact and can withstand powerful waves. Dr. Michele Grassi is a mathematician and graduate of Scuola Normale Superiore in Pisa, Italy. In 2005, he came up with a radically new way of extracting energy from sea waves.
Wave energy is a very promising renewables generation method because waves are present where most of the world population lives. Moreover, then the water environment is basically the same anywhere in the world, so that helps from an engineering point of view in designing devices which can work the same way anywhere in the world.
Unlike traditional approaches such as attenuators and buoys, Dr. Grassi's design can work off any shore with a depth of at least 40 meters. Dubbed the R115, the machine moves as pressure waves pass, pulling and releasing transmission pieces as floaters move relative to lower objects. These transmission pieces, in turn, pull on electric generators, capturing the energy.
So the wave energy sector is still immature because of problems in cost, survivability, and environmental impacts. And actually, those are the main distinctive advantages of our R115 machines.
To find the right energy level in water, Dr. Grassi's wave machines automatically vary their depth in response to changes in the sea state. During major storms, the machine descends to greater depths, ensuring that mechanical stresses are nominal and avoiding the need for a safe mode. By varying the depth of the machine, power interceptors can be comparatively large to increase capacity. This greatly increased capacity, combined with lower engineering and maintenance costs, also results in a low cost of energy. Depending on the wave resource and length of cable, the final cost of energy can be as little as $100 to $200 per megawatt hour. No other technology positioned at a fixed depth can offer the same performance.
Our R115 machine positions itself in a region between 100 and 200 US dollars per megawatt hour in good locations, which is a level below grid parity in entire states of the US. And actually, if we scale up the machines as we are doing, the cost will even go lower.
Because the R115 is always underwater, the machine has no visual impact. It can be installed near shore, even in areas with heavy traffic and tourism, avoiding collision by going deeper if necessary. The environmental impact can even be positive, as the machine doubles as an artificial reef, providing shelter for sea life.
Our machines have actually a positive effect on the environment in that they constitute an artificial reef. Moreover, in remote areas, they can be coupled with desalination plants to produce fresh water and further add to the positive effect on the environment.
Along with the traditional electric grid, Dr. Grassi believes his technology can be competitive by using renewable energy on a community scale through what's known as distributed generation. Compared to centralized generation, distributed generation has many advantages. Not only do communities save on the cost of grid infrastructure, they can also be responsible for the operation and maintenance of their own energy sources. Distribution makes cheap and renewable energy immediately available to more isolated communities, which are traditionally beyond the reach of a power grid. Because the majority of the world's population lives near reasonably energetic seas, Dr. Grassi believes wave energy is the perfect choice for distributed generation.
Distributed generation can be effective basically anywhere because it's a way to bring production near to the load centers. That helps the grid and helps in reducing emissions associated to production of electricity. And we at 40South Energy, we want to be at the forefront of this revolution.